Hey, I'm Grant with CompanyCam. Today I want to introduce you to CompanyCam Payments. Instead of waiting for your customer to issue a check or worrying about carrying a card reader, you can now quickly issue a request and collect a payment on site from your projects. To get started, all you need to do is type the amount owed, copy the link, and send it to your customer. That's it. And for more organization, you can add a memo to describe the work being done. After you send the request, your customers can make the payment with a credit card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or a bank transfer. Think of this as an easy way to get paid for quick service work or collect deposits on the job site. Build trust with your customers and make life a little simpler for yourself. Check out Payments today.